I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yellow curry. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need a good quality yellow curry paste, which is the heart of the dish, along with creamy coconut milk to create that signature rich sauce. Don't forget your choice of protein, such as tender chicken, firm tofu, or succulent shrimp, to complete this delicious and satisfying meal. Before cooking, prepare your ingredients. Dice vegetables like potatoes, carrots, and bell peppers into uniform pieces for even cooking. Cut your protein, whether it's chicken or tofu, into bite-sized portions. Next, heat a pan with a tablespoon of oil and sauté the yellow curry paste for about 1 minute. This step is crucial for unlocking its full aromatic potential and deepening the flavor of your curry. Now let's cook. Pour in the coconut milk, stirring well to combine with the sautéed paste, and bring it to a gentle simmer. Add your protein and vegetables, allowing them to cook until the protein is done and the vegetables are tender crisp. Finally, season your curry with a dash of fish sauce for umami and a small amount of sugar to balance the flavors, creating a perfectly harmonious dish. Your delicious yellow curry is ready. Serve it piping hot over a bed of fluffy steamed jasmine rice, which perfectly complements the rich sauce. For a final touch, garnish with fresh cilantro or basil to add a burst of color and herbaceous aroma. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade curry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.